Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are working on the wiring diagram of Nissan Pathfinder 202. This wiring diagram is applied on 1996 up till 2004. Okay, as you can see here, the diagnostic code here is P0101, and before this, the symptom you might likely to have when you have issues like this is the engine is very hard to start. You have something like black smoke on the tailpipe. You have hard starting, engine stalling, and so on and so forth. So to detect all these issues, first of all, you need to hook your scanner on your scanning port. Then if the machine detects the issue, the next thing is for you to make a research on your wiring diagram. So on the wiring diagram we have on the screen here now, we can see from the battery a constant 12 volt flows from 7.5 amperes fuse to the ECM relay. Then from the ECM relay it goes down to the black and white wire, which is the number 2 pin in the airflow socket. So this black and white should have constant 12 volt power always. Then when you go down, we have number 5, which is the orange wire, which is an output coming from the ECM. The rating should be around 0.25 to 4.9 volts if everything is in normal condition. Then we have 12 volt ground, though the 12 volt ground comes from the ECM. So all these things should be shaken accordingly. Then we have a pink and black wire. This one should be shaken with a multimeter, which is the ACC volt. If all this voltage and voltage signal is present and you still have issue on mass airflow, that is the only condition that you can be able to change the mass airflow. But if some of these things are not working, especially the ones that are coming from the ECM, you consider diagnosing the ECM or replacing the ECM. So we are ending the video here today.